everybody, and welcome back to my channel. If you are new to my channel, my name's Rhonda, better known as Hot Mess Mama MD. On today's video, I'm using the Kristen Leanne Daydream palette. So the first look I do for you guys is just a soft, simple, kind of go to work look. And then the next look, which is this look, I kind of spice it up a little bit. So in case you're going out after work or something like that, here's a way to use this one palette to achieve this look. So if you're interested to see my thoughts as well as the look that I created today, then stay tuned. Alright, so like I said the other day when using this palette, this has been like my everyday type of palette that I just gravitate to. I mean, the colors in it are absolutely beautiful. They're very, you know, simple everyday colors, but you can still smoke out with this color right here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and do the tutorial for you guys, showing you guys what I've been using this palette for every day and just that everyday pretty look. And then from there, I may just go ahead and smoke it out for you guys as well to show you guys how easy it actually is to just throw this in your purse or your bag or what have you. Anyways, without further ado, I'm going to go ahead and zoom you guys in and we're going to go ahead and do this everyday look for you guys with a twist of look at the end. So I'm going to hop off. I'm going to do my liner and my mascara and I'll be right back to show. Okay, so I'm back and I do have some liner on as well as my lashes. For liner, I did use the Urban Decay 24/7 Glide On Pencil in the shade Hustle, and that was on my waterline. On my tight line, I did use ColourPop's Cream Gel Liner in the shade Swerve. For mascara, I did prime my lashes with the L'Oreal Primer and then went in with my Tarte mascara. So this is my simple everyday. You can go to work, you look totally perfect. And again, as you saw, that was using 4 shades out of this palette right here. Now, I will tell you guys, yes, I went in with this and I like to just put that all over my lid, my lid, just to have it like nice one color blank canvas type of thing to work off of. Then I kind of deepen it up with this shade right here, Daydream. Then you saw me add Subscribe and then 1212. Now, if you're done with work, you're going out meeting your husband, your boyfriend, or the girls for drinks, what have you, I'm going to show you guys how you can kind of smoke this look out, give it a sultry look very, very easily, very, very quickly. So even though you've got your mascara on, you've worked all day, you're just exhausted, I'm going to show you how you can just throw this beautiful little palette into your purse. Comes with a brush, and we are going to pack this shade right here called 8 into our outer V, just like so. Then I'm just going to take the other side and kind of lightly buff it out a little bit. Okay, so you can leave it like this, or you could step it up a little bit, add some more mascara and some lashes. Okay, so I'm back and the lashes just were not working out for me. If you guys have some easier lashes to work with, these are just the Ardell Wispies. If you guys can recommend some, put it please down in the description or in the comment box down below. Oh my gosh, I was struggling with those so bad that I'm like, and we're done. We're just going to coat it with mascara. So I added some more of the L'Oreal Voluminous Carbon Black Mascara, and I'm going to zoom you guys in so you can see how I darkened it up just a bit, nothing over the top or anything like that. Okay, so as you guys can see, I did darken it up just a little bit, nothing over the top or anything like that. So I'll go ahead and zoom you guys back out. Okay, so like I said, this was an easy look to come up with using just, well actually now I've used every single one of these shades. Is it necessary? No. You do you however you want to do it. I like to use all of these just so I could show you guys, you know, the look that you could create with them. So I think overall, like I said before, I think this is a great palette. It is wonderful if you are just getting into makeup and you want something that is on the high end but a little bit more on the affordable side of things. This retails for $26, so it is still a bit on the pricey side, but you are getting the, you know, the name, the Urban Decay name, as well as the Kristen Leanne name too. Again, this is the Daydreamer palette. It does have, I haven't taken this part of the plastic off just so I don't blind you all, but it does say Stay Gold right here in the corner. That is one of her all-time sayings that she says all the time, as well as, you know, it does have the 5 shadows in there that are very versatile as far as coming up with different looks. You can come up with like a nice soft everyday kind of bronzy glowy type of look. You can come up with, you could even have gone bolder than I went. I like to just kind of stay more on the soft side. I'm slowly venturing into colors, as you saw with the Kaleidoscope Dream palette. Love that palette. But like I said in that video, I wanted to put a video together showing you all that you can come up with a beautiful look with just this one palette, and just use the Kaleidoscope palette as, you know, your pops of color. But anyways, I'm just all over the place. Not enough coffee. Sorry guys. But anyways, that is the look with this beautiful palette right here. Like I said, it is on Urban Decay's site for $26. As far as lips go, I am using her Bun Bun Vice lipstick, and then I did put a little bit of the ColourPop lip gloss, Ultra Lip Gloss by Kathleen Lights in the shade Moonchild over top. Again, I will link in the description box below all of everything that is on my face. I swear, it's like my words just aren't coming out today. I'm like fumbling over words, can't get my lashes on. Well, that's why they call me Hot Mess Mama. Okay, anyways, that's all for today's video, y'all. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and if you did, please make sure to hit the like button down below. And can I just tell you guys, if you made it through my entire video, thank you, thank you, thank you. As you may or may not know, YouTube has completely changed how they are doing their monetizing of their videos and things like that. So now, instead of views being important, it's the amount of views plus the amount of time people spend watching your videos. So if you watched my video until the end, again, thank you all so much for your love and support. I greatly, greatly appreciate it. Now I need to get 4,000 hours of views as well as 1,000 subscribers. So if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please, please do so. Make sure to hit the little bell right next to it so you can be notified every time I upload a video. So until tomorrow, my friends, as always, I hope you have a wonderful, beautiful, and blessed day. Kisses from Kentucky.